Hi, lovely people. How are you? I'm doing great. Let me know in the comments down below how your day is going. So, if you read from my title, I'm going to be doing IPSY versus IPSY. I don't understand. It's so weird because I always get my profile it always gets billed on both of them get billed on the first of every month, and I always get mine like the first, like a week and a half before I get the other one, and I always have to wait so I could do the IPSY versus IPSY. It's really weird how that comes. But anywho, if you don't know what IPSY versus IPSY is, what I started about a year and a half ago, and what I do is I'm like, does IPSY really go by profile? So I do two different profiles. So I do my real profile. I say that I'm 43, I have dark hair, I have blue eyes, I'm light complected, I'm very comfortable with makeup. And then I do a 25-year-old profile, and I say I have red hair, brown eyes, light complected, and I'm not that comfortable with makeup. And I see, do they get it right or don't they? And it's like, sometimes they get it perfect. Sometimes it's like, all right. And sometimes it's like, what? It should be switched. So let's see this month how it works. And if you stay to the end, I have another giveaway that I'll be doing today in this video. And the reason why somebody asked me, how come I do so many videos? I mean, not videos. Well, I do a lot of videos, but why do I do so many giveaways? And I enjoy giving back to you guys. I say this all the time. If it wasn't for you guys watching me, watching the ads or whatever, leaving comments, rating my video, either liking or disliking it, I wouldn't be able to do this YouTube, And so every time I get paid on YouTube, I take a percentage, and I always buy things for you guys so I can have giveaways. So stay to the end or somewhere in the middle, and I will show you what will be in today's giveaway. All right, without further ado, let's get on with the IPSY versus IPSY. All right, so let's do my profile first, since I did get this a week and a half earlier. So remember, I'm dark hair, blue eyes, light complected, and I'm very comfortable with makeup. So let's see how they do. All right. Is there anything in there? No. All right, so this is the bag this month. And the bag's okay. I love the colors. I like the teal and peach. I think it's really, really pretty. But for me, my personal opinion, the bag is okay. But it's not the worst, if that makes sense. All right, so you have this little IPSY right there. All right, so let's see where the card is. All right, so for the July 2019, the theme is Dive In. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to dive into this bag. I know that was corny. All right, so what IPSY started doing a few months ago is now they tell you what each product is and a little bit about it. It doesn't give prices, but let's just move on. All right, so let me pull out the first thing that I see. So this is from Feel Mindful. This is a soothing mask. And I do put on the profile that I don't mind getting skincare. So let's read up a little bit about this puppy. All right, so this says Feel Mindful Palo Santo Soothing Mask. This brand believes that skincare has the potential to change your world, and they're not wrong. The mask is infused with energy-clearing Palo Santo essential oils, adaptogenic mushrooms, lavender, and chamomile to help soothe calm, sensitive skin. All right. That's a pretty decent size, too. You could get a couple uses out of this to see how you feel about it. All right. The next thing I got is this brightening oil right there. So now we have another skincare. So this is Red Earth Brighten Concentrate Oil with Kakadu Plum. I'll leave it right here. I don't know. It says this Aussie brand infuses a blend of powerful native ingredients into the skin brightening and soothing elixirs. This highly concentrated oil is packed with vitamin C, rich Kakadu plum, macadamia oil, and coconut oil to leave your skin refreshed and rejuvenated. Yes, yes, and yes. All right. So, and you get really a good amount in this as well, because with oil you don't need that much. I just usually put oil like right underneath my eyes at night, or right before I put makeup on. All right, so that's pretty good. And then we got this. This is from Pacifica. So it says Bronze Rose. All right, 2B. All right, so this is a bronzer and blush duo. All right, so let's see what that puppy is all about. So this is a full size. Where is my cutter? So that's a good thing. For $10, this is one of my favorite subscriptions for the price. I mean, for $10 you get you can get full size items. A lot of times you get deluxe size samples. I can't get this open. And sample sizes. All right. And you're always supposed to get at least $30 in value. All right, so this is the blush and bronzer. And on the back you have like a little mirror, which is nice. And if you're wondering what's on my eyes, I did record this, what do you call it? I did record this look. So that should be up next week. All right, how do you open this puppy? All right, so there we go. So let's swatch. All right, so that's what it looks like. And there we go. So there is the blush and there is the bronzer. All right, that's really pretty. So I'm definitely excited to get that. All right, 2 more items. Then we have this from Ciate London. This looks like a hydrating primer. Oh, and it has like black things in it. Let's see. What is this? All right, so this is a Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. Oh, I'm definitely excited to use that. It says this British beauty brand Ciate is known for creative, unexpected products that encourage you to flaunt your unique beauty. To hydrate, refresh, and prep your skin for makeup, smooth on this watermelon extract infuser primer. It'll boost your glow and help your makeup last longer. Let's see. I wonder if it smells like watermelon. I don't know, it has some kind of scent, I'm not sure, but I'm definitely excited to use that. And last but not least, this looks like the Balm eyeshadow. It says, what's the tea? All right, so, and it's like a purplish color. It's like a plum color. I'm not going to swatch that because I don't really go for a lot of single shadows, so I'll put this in today's giveaway. All right, so that is everything for my profile, my 43-year-old profile. So we got the eyeshadow, we got the primer, which this is the one I'm most excited to try. We got a mask, we got face oil, and we got Pacifica, the duo. So that's pretty cool. Let's put this back. All right. So let's go in with my 25-year-old profile. So remember, I'm red hair, brown eyes, and I'm not that comfortable with makeup. All right, same bag. All right, and same thing, card is dive in. All right. So the first thing I see, is another brightening face oil. Right there. And I usually, when I get doubles or things I don't know that I know I'm not going to use, I put in a giveaway. But I love facial oil, so I'm definitely going to keep that. And you know what that is. It's the Red Earth Brightening Concentrate Oil with Kakadu Plum. I don't know if I'm saying that right. The next thing we got, is from Colored Rain. I just did a Colored Rain mystery unboxing. And that reminds me, so when I did the total up, it came to $81, and you're supposed to get $150 at least worth of value in that Colored Rain mystery box. So they got a hold of me, and they're sending me 3 extra lipsticks. They shorted me items, so just to let you know. All right, so here is an eyeshadow. This will go in today's giveaway. And it's eyeshadow in Superstar. So let me show you the color. Oh, that's pretty. So it's a shimmer. It's like a goldish color. Goldish green. That is beautiful. But I'll definitely put it in there for you guys to try. I do really like their eyeshadows. All right, the next thing is, something for you. So this is the same thing, the Pacifica Rose, the duo. This is the blush and bronzer. So that'll go to you guys. There must be something in that bag because I am seeing something. Yep. So then we have, this is a eyebrow brush right there. So you have the spoolie and the little eyebrow thingamajiggy. This is from Billion Dollar Brows. This is a LA-based brand. All right, can't have enough of them. Can't have too much. Ooh, and this is from Murad. This is for Essential C Cleanser. I have tried this before. I get a lot of samples of this. Actually, not as big as this. This is like a deluxe size sample, and I really like that, so I will definitely keep that for myself. It says created by the renowned dermatologist. This line of high-performance product is known for being super effective, rich in vitamin A, C, and E. All right, so let's go over again. Let's recap what we got in the 23-year-old profile. So we got this eyeshadow from Colored Rain. We got this eyebrow brush. We have another face oil. We have this from Murad, and then we have the brush, not the brush, the bronzer and blush duo. So let me know, what do you think? Do you think that they went by profiles? I think that they did. I really do. The only thing in skincare we got for the 25-year-old profile is oil, and I think everybody should use that. So I am impressed. I don't really have any complaints. All right, so if you stayed to the end, let's go over what will be in. What in the heck was that? I don't know what the heck that was. I don't even see it on the floor. Let's go over what will be in today's giveaway. So this is from Ulta right here. You have this little like glitter thing, and you have this like velvet bag. And inside of it is filled with a whole bunch of stuff, and with also in today's stuff. So I'll just show you a little bit. We have like the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye. We have Bella Pierre. We have, let's see, I know there's like a ColourPop eyeshadow. There's, here's a Clinique for men. Here is some Pixie stuff. Let's see. Here is the ColourPop Super Shock eyeshadow. I mean, guys, it's so much in here. Here's a mascara. It is actually filled that I don't even know if I'm going to be able to close this. But this will be yours. So the only thing that you have to do is be subscribed, because this is just giving back to you guys who are supporting me. You have to watch this whole video in full. You have to rate this video, either like it or dislike it, either way, as long as you rate this video, and you have to leave a comment. You can leave 20, 30, 40 comments. I really don't care. The more comments you leave, the better you have a chance to win, because I will do a comment picker. You can either just do an emoji, you can say hi, you can say kiss my ass, anything you want to say, just make sure you leave a comment of any kind. And this will be over on July 31st on my daughter's birthday. So August 1st, I will do the comment picker and I will announce the winner. So that's everything, guys. I love you and thank you again. Thank you guys so much. It's like, if I can do a giveaway on every video, I definitely would. And I'm trying to do as many as I can in the month of July. So bear with me. And then once we get to 35,000, we're only a couple thousand off, I will have a huge giveaway, and it will be 5 winners. So make sure, try to share my video, and let's get to 35,000. All right, guys, that's everything. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to rate this video, thumbs it up or thumbs it down. Make sure that you are subscribed so you can get in all of my future giveaways, and put that post notification bell on so you'll be notified in every video that I put out, and also my future giveaways as well. All right, guys, I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.